Hello, hi, my beautiful people. It's your lady signing in again, Lois Nichols. Hi, guys. I am ready to use my Atomy Absolute CellActive Skincare. All right, the big Korean de-aging set, my go-to and one of my favorites Atomy products. Okay, it's actually a de-aging set. It reverses time. It stops the time of your skin. And if your skin is already sagging, and you know what, it helps to take care of an already sagged skin. Okay, so don't wait until all the sags start coming out, all the wrinkles start coming out. Don't wait till then. Start now, like I'm doing. Okay, all right, look after what your mama gave you. All right, this is the Absolute CellActive Skincare Set, one of the big global bestsellers of Atomy. Okay, now that's the pack I've just shown you, and it comes as a 6-piece set like this. Yeah, 6-piece set like this. So you've got the toner, you've got the Ampoule. This is actually the one that does the de-aging. Oh my god, this one. Some people just go for this if they can't afford the big set, they just decide to go for that. And then you've got the serum, you've got the lotion, you've got the eye cream, and you've got the nutrition cream. Okay, so we are going to be I will be showing you how I do my nighttime routine with the Absolute CellActive Skincare Set, this amazing Korean beauty de-aging set, I call it. So let's start with the first one. Okay, now don't forget, I've had a shower. All right, so my face is clean. I've used soap, I've used sponge. My face is clean, relatively clean. Okay, but you come and you use the toner. All right, this is the first step in this amazing 6-step process. Okay, I'm trying to get that in. Soak it in, soak it in, soak it in, and there you go. All right, so we'll rub. If you don't have a cotton pad, you can use a kitchen paper, but don't use tissue. You know, tissue just breaks and put some. Nah, you don't want to use tissue. If you don't have a beauty cotton pad like this, then use you know, the kitchen paper, you know, kitchen towel tissue, the strong one. Okay, you can also use that. So what I do is I use the toner round and round, and already washed skin. Can you see that? Oh my gosh, can you see it's changed color? Sometimes when I do this, I'm like, oh my days, I just washed with soap and sponge. This is because this actually goes into the third layer of your skin. Like, it really absorbs into the skin to extract dirt. Okay, so all you who have clogged up, look at that, yeah, who have clogged up spores, you want to be using this. Okay, pores that are clogged up with dirt, with oil, with just name it, you know. So I go again. I like to go like again. All right, because looking at that first, I don't think I like it. I want to go again until I get it very clean, you know. Then I know that whatever I'm putting it on a very clean face, in it. Okay, so we're going to go rub it in again. Let's see, it looks better. It's getting better. See, so some people just do it once and it's okay, but I cannot do it once, because when I see the cotton pad, the amount of dirt it has extracted from my face, I want to do it again. You know, you want to do it until you get somewhere with this, innit? When I use this, I'm not in a rush. Okay, that's why I like to do it in the evenings. I'm not in a rush at all with this. Okay, there's no reason to rush. I'm going to bed. All right, so there's no reason to rush. If you want to do it in the morning, it's fine. Okay, it's allowed. You can do it in the mornings as well. Okay, just in the morning, obviously you're time conscious and you're just going fast. You want to get it on your face as ASAP, you know. But yeah, it's your call. Just do what suits you. Do what suits you. So what the toner actually does is it balances the skin's pH levels, okay, hydrates, and provides a skin base to aid in subsequent product absorption, okay? So it will help all the other 5 steps, okay, to actually absorb properly into your skin and do what they ought to be doing, basically. So I think I'm okay with this. Look, I'm okay with this. Yeah, all clean. That's my toner. That's my toner, all clean. All right, okay. Now, after the toner, I now come to this blue one, which is the Ampoule, okay? This step 2. I love the Ampoule. Amazing product. I love the Ampoule. It's a 40 ml bottle, okay? Provides anti-aging, in fact, de-aging effects, okay? Such as shrinking pores, okay? Increasing skin elasticity and reducing wrinkles on the face, okay? The cheek, and all the places that are prone to wrinkles. All right, look, it looks like that. Can you see it? So what I do is I'm just gonna put that on. Some people take just a drop, okay? I like 2-3 drops. It's because this is finishing. You can see it's finishing. That's why I had to pour, okay? So I take 2-3 drops, okay, with this, okay, 2-3 drops, and because when you press at the top, yeah, so I take 3 drops and then go all around the face in circular motion. There's something about circular motion, I don't know, but let the skin experts tell me. There's something about circular motion. If you notice, most of these beauty products, when you're using them, they tell you rub and go in circular motion, okay? I don't know if that aids more absorption, okay? But whatever it is, yes, we do it, all right? So that's me done on the Ampoule. You can see my face. And then I do this. Once I finish, I do this. And the reason I'm doing this is to aid absorption, okay? Because when you do this, it gives you a warm feeling, okay? That it's absorption, okay? That's it. So that's me done, okay? Now we go to the third one, which is the serum, okay? The absolute serum. This one is an anti-wrinkle serum as well that tightens and strengthens. Let me put it so you see it. That tightens, that's Atomy serum. So it tightens, okay, and strengthens facial skin with high-grade micro emulsion technology. That is enough, okay? Some will use even less, okay, because it's highly concentrated. You don't need to use too much, okay? That's the quality of the product, okay? You don't need to use too much. So again, pat it onto your face. This is a serum we're using. And this is 50 ml. I forgot to tell you, this 50 ml, all right? So here we go again. So dab it. Don't forget your neck. Always remember your neck. Your neck is part of your face, isn't it? You don't want to be looking beautiful on your face and then your neck is like, So yeah, you go also for your face. Nice circular motion. Nice circular motion. Pat it in. Pat it in. Okay. And we are done. All right. Nice one. Nice one. Nice one. Nice one. Okay. Now we're done with the serum. We now come to the lotion. Okay. The lotion strengthens and hydrates. Let me put it so you can see it. You can see it. All right. That's it. The CellActive lotion. So this strengthens, okay, and hydrates the skin layer, okay, to brighten the skin. That is enough, okay? You don't even need that much, but that is enough, okay? All right, so, yeah, again, we go with the lotion, okay? Another thing the lotion does is it balances oil and water levels on the skin. So it balances the oil and water level on your skin, okay? Again, rub it in. I like the circular. Don't forget a circular motion, round and round, circular motion on the eye, and that's it, okay? Don't forget your neck. Always do your neck, okay? So that's me done. Every time I get to this stage and I look at my face, I'm saying, okay, yeah, it looks like something is showing up there. Okay, looks nice. Okay, so if you want a smooth, flawless skin like my skin, smooth, flawless skin, people ask me, what do you use for your skin? And then when I tell them my age, they're like, oh my gosh, you're joking, you're kidding, you can't be serious. I'm like, what do you mean I can't be serious? I look after my skin. Look after what your mama gave you, you know? Okay, so what did we just use? We used the lotion, didn't we? Okay, now the next one is the one of the small ones. We have two of them, okay? One is the what do you call it, the eye cream, and the other one is the nutrition cream, okay? So let's use the eye cream. Again, the eye complex reduces wrinkles, okay? This attacks wrinkles, saggy skin, puffiness, dark circles, and fine lines, okay? Especially in the eye area. So I'm going to be putting it here, I'm going to be putting it here, I'm going to be putting it here, and then I'll put some here as well. I'll put some here as well. Try, this is a very sensitive area of the face, so you have to be just careful. Don't be too harsh, just that would do. And then the smile line, you know, some people, you have wrinkles here, the smile line, and don't forget your neck. And with this one, I always say, please do not forget your hands, okay? Because we do have wrinkles on our hands as well. So with this one, I also go for my hands. Anywhere that is prone to wrinkles, you want to be using this eye cream, okay? Because this actually attacks all them wrinkles and dark circles and you know, just name it, fine lines, and you know. So it restores damaged lipids and membranes in the eye area with a liquid crystal coating, all right? Now, let's look at the last but not the least, the nutrition cream, okay? This is a nutrition cream. That's the nutrition cream, okay? The sixth and final stage of this amazing skin routine process, all right? Skincare process, basically. Now, that is it. You can see I'm still using it, so I have quite a few left in there, quite a bit left in there. So what I do is I just put some patches here and there on the nose, you know, because I'm going to start moving in. And then my neck, never forget your neck. That will do me, okay? So again, we go with our circular motion. This is a nutrition cream. It improves skin elasticity, skin suppleness, okay, with pseudolipids, all right, and provides a maximum flexibility for the deep layers of your skin, all right? So it's more like the final icing on the cake to take care of your beautiful skin, all right? So there we go. We're putting the icing on the cake now. When you put icing on the cake, what happens? It changes the cake, innit? The cake looks really beautiful. So that's what we're doing. We're putting the final icing on the cake to seal up all the moisture, seal up all the nutrients, and give us a beautiful glowing skin, all right? And then that's me done. So this is the 6-step process, okay, using the absolute CellActive skincare set, okay? It's a Korean beauty de-aging set. Those of you who are familiar with Korean products, you know that they make the best, okay, cosmetics in the world. And this product that I'm talking about, this absolute CellActive skincare set, has won the highest cosmetic award known in cosmetics, okay? It's called, they call it is it the JR52 Nyang Shil Award. Sorry, it's a bit of a tongue twister for me, but yeah, so that is it, all right? And if you want this product delivered to your door, you like it, I think this is my 3rd time doing a demo on how to use this product, okay? If you want it, send me a DM, okay? And I will tell you how you can get this delivered straight to your door from the manufacturers at manufacturer's price, okay? Now, I do get people telling me that they've gone to third-party sites to buy this at double, triple, quadruple the price. I'm so sorry if you've had to do that, okay? That's why I always tell people when I do my product demo, I say, get in touch with me. My WhatsApp number is here, all my social media links, you know, you can reach me like ASAP, and I try to respond to my messages within 24 hours, you know. So contact me. Let me, if you're interested, you know, you get it at the manufacturer's price. There's no reason to go buy this double, triple or quadruple the price. No, you don't need to do that, okay? Because I know the feeling, like, you know, I would feel really bad if I know the price of this product, okay? And then I've gone to a third-party site and I've bought it like twice the amount. Oh my gosh, you know, not in this day and age where everybody's trying to save funds and spend wisely, basically. So please feel free to DM me, send me a DM, contact me, okay? What you need to do with this is just a free registration online, okay? And I'll give you a sponsor ID at the end of your registration. That ID connects your purchase to me, so that the company rewards me for the hard work, you know. The company rewards me, okay, for showcasing their products and making people aware of this amazing product, okay? We all deserve a little bit of reward, don't we? All right, so that's the whole process to getting this, okay? It's a free online registration, okay? So please feel free to contact me, okay? I love you all, and until I see you in my next video, you know, with me, I can go on and on and on when I'm talking about Atomy products, or when I'm doing my product demos, I could go on and on and on. Why not? When you have good products, effective products, you just want to go on and on and on, okay? So till I see you in my next video, I love you. If you love this video, please click the like button, and don't forget to subscribe, okay? We're growing our channel. And we are, when you click the like button, when you subscribe, the algorithm understands, okay, that people are having value from this channel, and we'll be able to like push us out there for more people to be able to view our products, okay, view our demos and all that. So if this channel helps you to understand more of Atomy products and how to use them, please click the like button and don't forget to subscribe. I love you all. Stay blessed. Ciao. Bye.